Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You've logged in and you're ready to apply a gift card. First, open the Flipkart app or website and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once done, go to the menu or your profile and select gift cards or my account where gift card options appear. You need the card code and PIN visible. Keep them accessible. If you're purchasing, add items to cart first, because sometimes applying a gift card requires a checkout context. You're now at checkout, which is where Flipkart typically accepts gift cards. Proceed to the payment screen and look for a dedicated gift card or apply coupon section. It may be grouped with wallet options. Enter the gift card code exactly as printed, including hyphens if present, and add the PIN when prompted. Once you tap apply, allow a few seconds for the balance to reflect. If partial, the remaining amount will show and can be paid with another method. Finally, confirm that the payable amount decreased by the gift card value before you complete the purchase. You must choose a secondary payment method for any remaining balance and then place the order. After placing the order, check your email or Flipkart orders for confirmation and gift card balance adjustments. If the card is rejected, make sure you type the code correctly, refresh or relaunch the app and try again. If problems persist, contact Flipkart support with a screenshot for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.